Hello friends, welcome to our channel Easy Parenting.
So today we are going to see why we are using tissue paper for drying. For doing this experiment, you take 2 test tubes and fill each test tube halfway with water. Now you can add 1 or 2 drops of color of your favorite choice. Okay, now cut a long rectangular strip from a notebook and tissue paper. Now fold it and place the strip in one and the tissue strip in the other test tube. Right, wait for a few seconds and take out both strips of paper. See, the tissue paper is more wet than the paper sheet strip. The color also has traveled faster in the tissue paper. Okay, this is called the capillary action. So here we are seeing capillary action of water. The tissue paper has more space in them for water to travel faster. This is the reason that tissues are used for drying. Now, why to waste the water in the test tube? So let us mix them together and see what new color we are getting. See, we are adding 2 primary colors and we are getting this shade. Okay, our next experiment is soap boot. For doing this, take a shallow bowl or a plate and add water in it. Okay, now cut out a simple triangle of paper and you can put it float on the water. You can see that I am making the boat in this shape. Okay, once your boat is ready, you can place it inside this bowl. Okay, I'm placing it inside the water. Okay, in such a way that it is floating. Now it is not at all moving. Right? Now dip a stirring stick into the soap solution. You can use liquid soap or even shampoo you can use. Okay. Once the stick is ready with the soap solution, you can insert it right behind the boat. Right? So this paper boat zooms ahead. Stops moving. Dip the stick into the soap solution again and try it. Okay, do you know why it zooms like this? It is because of the surface tension. Now, what is surface tension? It is the force that holds water together. When soap is added, it reduces the surface tensions behind the boat. Since the surface tension is higher in front of the boat, the surface tension pulls the boat ahead. That is why we can see the boat moves, because of this surface tension.